Due to the inattention of the police of Teliamura Rail Station Naga Point, on Sunday night, cannabis was recovered in Teliamura Rail Station. Such allegation was pointed against the SST who were checking at Tripura Rail Station Naga Point. The state administration has initiated a strong vehicle checking all around the state in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha election. However, many SST police security are not doing their duty properly in different Naga points of different places. As such, due to the inattention of the police of Teliamura Rail Station Naga Point, on Sunday night, cannabis was recovered in Teliamura Rail Station. Such allegation was pointed against the SST who were working and checking at Tripura Rail Station Naga Point. Most often, the police of Naga Point are usually busy in playing mobile phone and chatting, which is how several illegal smuggling has been going on through the state.
ধরেননি কই বইরেছেন দি কই খাইতাছেন কই খাইতাছেন কখন খাওয়ার টাইম না আপনার কি টিম নাম কি দা আর আপনার নাম কি দা হ্যাঁ
On the other side, the high authorities of the state administration are not aware of how the police are doing their duties in such Naga Point, which is why the public demand an eye should be kept on the police personnel. Reported by Hiranmai from Teliamura, Chini, Khorang.